Hey kings and queens, welcome and welcome back, honey. Yes, welcome and welcome back. I miss you guys so much, okay? I'm so sorry, I had to take a little break, a little hiatus, but I'm back, okay, honey? I'm back like I never left, period. Today, y'all, listen, I got a lot of goodies in the mail while I was away, right? A lot of new things, a lot of new businesses opening, a lot of new businesses starting. I'm so proud of each and every last one of you guys. So basically, what this video is going to be is dedicated to you, all of my new business owners, honey. Yes, congratulations to you guys, and thank you guys so much for believing in yourself, okay, boo? Because you did that. Yes, honey, you did that. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into some of the goodies, okay? Of course, if you want to get some, of course, show your appreciation, show your love, show your support. I'll be sure to link every business down below in the description so that you can check them out and you can grab some of those goodies for yourself as well. Yes, honey, I got you, okay? The first business review that I'm going to share with you guys, it is from Alpha Mom. Yes, Alpha Mom. Alpha Mom creates these beautiful little barrettes or hair bows that go into your hair. No matter how old you are, honey, you are never too old to have a hair bow, okay? Look at JoJo, okay? Like, she winning, period, okay? So I'm not ashamed. And I reached out and I had a couple of hair bows made for myself, you guys, and they are the freaking cutest. Look, they are candy dream themed, of course, so she can customize these any way that you want them. All you have to do is reach out and let her know what you want, and baby, she got you, okay? Look, this is the first one that I have, and it is so freaking cute. It has little lollipops all around the details, and in the center of it, it has sweet as sugar. So that's not it, okay? Because she, of course, hooked your girl up, right? Look at this. I have an even bigger one, and this one here has gummy bears all over it. Gummy bears and cute little candy pieces all over it. Look at that. Oh, and there's a little clamp on the back, so it easily slides in the hair. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But they're so freaking cute. Look at that. And again, like I said, she can customize them any way that you want. Yes. And what's good would it do without getting your girl the money bow? Okay, look, y'all, honey, yes, she got me a money beret. I am in love with this thing. Yes, it has a money bag right in the middle, and it's got $100 bills all over it. Yes. Look, how freaking cute. How freaking cute. Thank you, Alpha Mom. I love my barrettes. They are the freaking cutest. Oh, let me show y'all how they work, right? So, like, you just easily slip them on like so. Yes, just like that. Yes, your girl is in there. Again, thank you, Alpha Mom. I really appreciate my cuteness. I really love the bows. They are everything and more, honey. Next up, you guys, I have one of my most favorite things in the whole wide world that I'm going to be doing a little review on. And these are lashes, honey. Yes, if you know me, then you know your girl loves some lashes. Listen, okay? These are cute little lashes. The name of these are Thug Life. And this line is brought to you by Kissed by K. Yes, Kissed by K. She started her own little business, and of course I did get a little bit of everything that she had because she does have cute little jewelry pieces as well. And I was able to get this cute little anklet to match, and I also have these body oils, you guys. Yes, honey, shimmer body oils, the gold, yes, and it is sun-kissed, okay, period. So freaking cute. So yes, I got this cute little package deal from her, you guys, and yes, she even has lip gloss as well. I have a peach flavored one that I've already used up, unfortunately, y'all. I couldn't help myself. It was so freaking bomb. It was so smooth on the lips, and it smells so freaking good, y'all. Definitely, you have to check out my girl Kissed by K. So freaking amazing. Thank you, Kissed by K. I love my freaking products, as you already know, boo, honey. And yeah, I would have had those lashes on, but I'm saving those for a special occasion. Yes. Yes, honey, there's more, okay? I got a lot, okay? Just be patient, honey. Watch all the way through, period. You won't be disappointed. How long has it been since you heard of Pure Romance? Right, like Pure Romance. Do y'all remember Pure Romance parties, honey? That were everything. Yes, honey. Well, guess what? Pure Romance is still live, and it is still in full effect. Check this out. So I was able to get some goodies in. Yes, honey, I got me some body dew, yes, and of course I got the shaving cream, honey. Y'all know Pure Romance shaving cream is everything, honey. No bumps, no none of that, okay? It's just a smooth, clean silk cut. Yes, honey, and that's exactly what you want every time you get your shave on, okay? So yes, my girl Princess is the consultant for Pure Romance, and of course definitely check out the full catalog online. Again, I'll be sure to put all the details down below so that you can check it out and get yourself some, honey. Yes, it's a must-have, y'all. So yes, honey, check this out, okay? Check this out. show y'all this. I have these cute little paperclip tabs. I got these from Paperclip Goodies. Yes, honey, Paperclip Goodies. Look at these. Look at how cute they are. And again, I got these from Paperclip Goodies, and you can find her store online, and it is on Etsy.com. And I even got these cute little stickers. And when you say, what, planner? Yes, honey, the Candy Dreams planner. Do you not have yours yet? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and get you one ordered, honey, so it can be on the way. And you can order you some cute little paper clips to go inside your notebook as well, honey. Write it down. You already know. Write it down, okay? Thank you, Paperclip Goodies. I love my freaking paper clips. They are the cutest little things that I've ever seen. While we're on the topic of planners and journals, let me not forget these cute little stickers that I also got as an addition to my paper clips. Planner Craver, which is another online store, and she also has a store on Etsy, and she also can be found on Instagram. Both of the stores are on Instagram, so check them out, okay? But listen, she did these cute little stickers that are tailored specifically towards my journal. Yes, the Boston Journal, honey, I'm telling you, the journals are everything, okay? The Boston Journal is a real live working journal that you need in your life, okay? It's a manifesting journal, period, okay? But listen, we're gonna talk about her stickers right now. She created the cutest little stickers, or the cutest little package for me, whole set together. And again, it was catered or tailored around my particular Boston brand manifesting journal. So yes, so freaking cute. And this is not all that she has. Of course, you can check out her website, or you can check out her page, and you can see all of the beautiful little things that she has made, or that you can purchase that are, you know, that'll look cute with your journal that you may already have. But I highly suggest that you get you a Candy Dreams journal, honey. Yes, get your Candy Dreams journal, period. But anyway, yes, last but not least, my girl, if you're here in town, you're looking to sell your home, or if you're looking to sell a piece of property, she is in the business of real estate. Yes, honey, she will buy that land property from you and take it right off your hands, honey. Contact Tiffany. She's local here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and of course, here's all of her information so that you can find her and you can let her know. Or if you have questions, or you have some property out of town that you're trying to get rid of, please contact her and let her know what you got. And I'm sure she can hook you up and let you know exactly what she can do for you to help you out, honey. Yes, don't miss out on these wonderful opportunities, okay? Yes, don't miss out on the wonderful goodies as well, honey. Thank you guys again. I'm so happy for you guys, and I really appreciate all of the wonderful, cool gifts, and going the extra mile to make customizations for me, honey, little old me. Like, thank you so much. I really love everything. Again, congratulations to you guys, and I wish you guys nothing but the best. Of course, if you are a new small business owner, or if you're a new business owner, or even if you're an old business owner and you would like for Candy Dreams to showcase your items, please hit me up via email. Let me know what you got, and we can work some things out, honey. Yes, I love doing small business give back. So thank you guys again, and I love you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, honey. Thank you. I love you, babe. Bye, love.